Con mis amigos. Cabrón.
Take off flaps.
Ándale pues. Hell to the yeah. Now, Brandon, you should be here with us, but you're out trying to make money instead. But all right, ready?
Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Sure.
Landing flaps, gear down. Flaps up.
I got bumped all over.
Gear up.
When I went to go down, it picked me up again.
Yeah, you don't have to touch it all, you don't have to force it to just touch. Right, boys? Alright.
You out of here, Rand?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not gonna be here next
Landing
weekend.
flaps, gear down.
Man, you guys gonna make me fly on my own?
And then I'm going to India again.
India?
Yeah,
I'm gonna need to start getting you a Bollywood outfit.
What the fuck?
What?
Dude, you ain't
Flaps
touching
up,
down
gear
with
up.
shit.
Time remaining 2.
I did eventually. It was rolling like crazy.
Alright, man, I'll
I just turned my gyro up, it'll get better.
see you. Alright, if you hear about anyone who wants to buy,
If you got a price, just tell me, I'll post it.
yeah, well, $50 for the 55 of the line, $50 for the
Okay. Because people are asking. People are asking, so I'll just, if that's the price, I'll give it to them. Okay.
Right, boys?
Alright, man. See ya. Shall I give email or anything, or just tell you?
Well, yeah, give them my email and private message.
Okay.
Don't post my
No, I won't post it.
I'm still playing that by the year.
Okay.
And flip it.
Alright, see ya.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I see you.
Dude, you're like a crazy guy.
I got shit in my eye. I can't really see. Okay, give me a second. I got crap in my eye. I gotta get out. There we go. I'm good. No, I got it out. Touching going?
Gear down. Take off flaps, landing flaps. Gear up, flaps up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh shit. Dude, what the hell? My gyro stopped it from doing anything. I was gonna do a spin and the gyro was like, nope! There we go. Now it did it. Spin. You got a stick near me and I'll show you. You push both the sticks in towards each other with low throttle and it spins like crazy. But you got to do it with altitude. What are you going to do? Got to do it with a lot of altitude though, and let it catch itself. Go high. Just as it starts slowing down, do it. There you go.
1 minute over.
Mine snaps like crazy. It does like a pop top, like a 3D plane does. Stick with me and I'll show you. Alright, I'm going out. This thing is so much fun. What battery are you using?
2 minutes over.
Which one, the heavy duty? Jesus! What the heck's going on over there? Getting knocked all the way over the place, all over the place. I mean, it was pushing everywhere.
It was like, as soon as we decided to do it, boom!
It's all sideways.
It wouldn't come down for a bit. I had to force it down.
Yeah.
And then just boom! I was like, I'm in control. I'm the captain of this ship.
You're the pilot. You make the call.
3 minutes over.
That was some wackadoo flying, but oh, that's why I got wires hanging down.
Oh.
I gotta tape those.
They have that thing that holds the wires in. You just gotta make sure the tension's right.
For what? The little plastic parts? I'll have to look then. Because it's not holding.
They also did that.